My name is Noelle. I'm the owner of Eagle Strike Fitness right here in Apple Valley, my hometown. I just yell at people for a living. I have been here at this Apple Valley location for a year and in the fitness industry for about 8 years. My favorite part of being here in this studio is the community aspect of everyone coming in, having a smile on their face, getting a good solid workout, seeing changes not only physically, mentally, and even in their daily lifestyles. The coronavirus did impact kind of our setup and our game plan here in studio. We had to back off on the volume of our members coming in through the doors. So then we took advantage of the outdoors here in Minnesota. We were blessed this summer with beautiful weather where we could take some of our classes remotely out into the city parks as well as our own parking lot. So people could be comfortable getting their workout in without being in a closed space quite yet. And when we were ready to open in early summer, when we got the clearance to do so, we had increased the volume of cleaning that not only our team was doing, but then the members as well. We were going through a lot of disinfecting wipes, a lot of spray disinfectant to make sure that all of the surfaces that everyone touches has been cleaned, but then we were running short on supplies very quickly, and that's when Rob came in with this prototype of a mister that could give us an additional layer of sanitation and cut back on the wasteful usage of various products. The members are always commenting that it is clean. We've always had that high standard. It helps that I have my type A mentality that everything has to be clean and in order, which was perfect. And then now even more so, the willingness of our members to come in and get their workout this day and age, wanting to come into a closed space. They're a lot more comfortable and frequently coming in to get that workout. Since we got the mister back in July, we had added it to the final cleaning process of our shifts. So our studio is being completely sanitized and misted down twice a day after the morning and then the evening classes. We spray down the bags and the walls, the countertops where they keep their water bottles, the frequently touched spaces like the light switches and the door handles in the bathroom, locker room, and up front in our lobby. And it's really only taking the team and myself and an additional 10 minutes to get this added layer of protection that we know we're gonna walk into an even cleaner studio the next shift. The members are ecstatic about it being super clean in here and comfortable and safe. One thing that we really enjoy about this mister is that we could put whatever product in the mister as far as our cleaning goes, and so we elected to stay with the same cleaner that we had always used this last year. Our tribe is familiar with that. It's a scent that they know, and we are comfortable that because they come in contact with the floors, with the bags and everything, that it is hypoallergenic, where no one's reacting to it in a negative way. Coming into the fall, into the winter months where everybody's gonna start coming indoors versus getting their fitness outside, we really look forward to continuing our partnership with Veloci to get the actual product in, to keep everyone at ease and peace of mind that when they're ready, everyone's gonna be ready on their own time frame to come indoors when they're ready, that they know that this place is as clean as it can get.